officially there in our destination, and it looks very beautiful. And now I can reveal where we are going, and we are at Zohra Nature Reserve. Yay! And I'm gonna tell you more about it when we are gonna go in the kayak. Maybe, I don't know, but we are gonna go to the kayak and have a lots of fun. And I'm also gonna bring you guys with me. Guys, now we are at a quest for adventure, which is in Al Zohra Marina, Ajman. So if you want to come there, it's very good. They have golfing, they have archery, and they have kayaking. We are going to do the kayaking. So kayaking sport. So I'm going to show you when we go on the kayak, and we're gonna see this together.
Price
Yeah, and the price for adults is
175.
and for kids it's 135. So if you want to come here, that's the price. So guys, now I'm going to show you a clip of how it was like in kayaking, and trust me, it's hilarious. Somebody was noisy. Can you guess who?
Okay guys, do you want to come on over this way?
बाबा ये तो हाथ में ताकत भी बहुत लग रही है आप भी मारो ना no we can't I think
Come on over this way guys.
follow तो करो ना लेकिन I think we are not I think we should go back. Excuse me, can we go back? नहीं हो रहा है यार But where? भीग भी जाएंगे हाथों के तो ऐसे एक्सरसाइज हो गए हाथों के ए मैं किधर जा रही हूँ Wow, it's what a beautiful place.
Maybe gonna die.
Yes, true.
If we don't follow attention, we're gonna die.
चुप कर
और नहीं वाले Now, you may be asking yourselves, how can you find this much greenery in a desert? Well, we were also very shocked when we saw all of this in a desert, and it's so beautiful. I'm going to tell you some facts about Al Zohra Natural Reserve. With over than 1 million square meters of mangrove forest, Al Zohra Natural Reserve is a haven for birds and marine life. I have to say that the biggest mangrove forest in the UAE is in Abu Dhabi, and they actually the mangroves they give more like the same oxygen like other plants, but they take 75% more carbon dioxide than other plants, which is shocking, mind blown. And that's why we should save them and make our planet beautiful.
Ananya, your experience.
Oh, बहुत dangerous लेकिन fun भी था.
Say.
It was fun, but it is fun, but it's dangerous. So. We did kayaking.
It's not my day.
Aaj idhar.
We did kayaking.
How was the experience?
It was kind of hard in the first, and then it was kind of easy, and then exciting.
कौन सा गाना गाना चाहिए था?
कुछ ऐसा है ना? याद नहीं गाना. Nursery rhyme था. Guys, we are done kayaking. It was a very good experience and I loved it. Yeah, but it was a very experience. I would 100% recommend you to come on kayaking and do some kayaking because it's a very good hand exercise. And if you're like, yeah, but your shoulders should be strong and your legs should maintain a perfect balance. And also your butt, because my father was just poing. You're moving from one side to other his butt. So the kayak was also moving to other. So guys, this is the last video of my winter break musty series, and I hope you liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to smash that like button, smash the share button, smash the subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell to get notified whenever the Sing Queen uploads a new video. And until Friday, I love you all so much, and don't forget to be nice to each other, and wait, Happy New